Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you how you can easily install Vieka and how you can download Vieka on PC. So the first thing that you want to do is scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you're gonna do it, you'll get right here to Ldplayer. Ldplayer is an amazing emulator that is going to help you install various games and applications, and you want to click download Ldplayer here. When you're gonna have it, you just want to press on open it, and I created like full tutorial on how you can install it right here, so you don't have to watch like other videos. So you're gonna open Ldplayer, choose a path where you want to install it, and then you're gonna press install. And when you're gonna download it, you'll just install it, and then you're gonna be in LD store. So here I want to show you that I will go here and System Apps, Play Store, and then Vieka. You want to actually like connect your Ldplayer and register with your Google Play account. Just log in there and you just open Vieka here and you're good to go. Open. And here we are. Next, start now. New project. And then you would like upload videos here. So you have to like choose and have a synchronizer, and you can read about that, and also a shared folder, and you would have it in your terminal. So you have to like introduce into shared folder. You can read about it, and this is the shared folder, so here you would actually upload it. Or here. So that's how you're gonna do it. Thank you and have a great day and goodbye.